Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long while I haven't uploaded any video, so sorry for that. Actually, I was really sick and I was really stressed about my exams, but now as it is over, I'm doing fine and I hope you guys are doing well. So recently I went to this beautiful place called Bhutan border, and that place was real awesome, and I made some videos of that place and I'm gonna show you guys how that place looks like, and you just gonna love it. It's the best place to chill out, mountain, the river. And I was not exactly vlogging there as I was really tired and it took 10 hours to reach there, so it was almost a hectic day. So I only captured some of the beautiful views and some videos so that I can show you guys, and I hope you guys will like it. So let's start the video. guys, if you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And if you want to know where this beautiful place is, then please let me know in the comment section, and I will let you know where this place is. And it's not much far, so you don't have to worry. It's in Assam. And yeah, keep supporting and loving. Your love means a lot to me, and I love you guys. Stay safe.